Understanding gray hair. Hair color is determined by melanin, a pigment produced by melanocytes in hair follicles. As we age, melanocyte activity decreases, leading to less melanin and, consequently, gray or white hair. Genetics play a significant role in when and how much gray hair appears. But other factors like stress, diet, and overall health also influence this process. Causes of gray hair. 1. Aging. The most common cause of gray hair is the natural aging process. 1. Over time, the production of melanin slows down and eventually stops, leading to gray or white hair. 2. Genetics. Family history can dictate when you start graying. 2. If your parents or grandparents turned gray early, you might too. 3. Stress. Chronic stress is believed to accelerate the graying process, although the exact mechanism is not fully understood. 4. Nutritional deficiencies. Deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, such as B12, iron, and copper, can contribute to premature graying. 5. Health conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as vitiligo, thyroid disorders, and alopecia areata, can cause premature graying. Potential remedies and treatments. Balanced diet. Ensuring a diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals is crucial. Foods high in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, can combat oxidative stress, which may slow down the graying process. 1. Vitamin B12. Found in meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals, B12 is essential for healthy hair. 1. A deficiency can lead to premature graying. 2. Iron. Iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and red meat can help maintain healthy hair. 3. Copper. This mineral, found in nuts, seeds, and shellfish, plays a role in melanin production. Stress management. Incorporating stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, and regular exercise can potentially slow down the graying process. Hair care products. Some shampoos and conditioners are formulated with ingredients that can help preserve natural hair color. Look for products containing antioxidants and UV protection. Natural remedies. 1. Coconut oil and lemon juice. Massaging a mixture of coconut oil and lemon juice into the scalp can nourish the hair and potentially reduce graying. 2. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, amla is a popular remedy in Ayurvedic medicine for promoting healthy hair and delaying graying. Supplements. Taking supplements designed to support hair health can be beneficial. These often contain a mix of vitamins, minerals, and herbs known to promote hair pigmentation. Medical treatments. 1. Melanin-boosting products. Some products aim to stimulate melanin production in hair follicles. 1. Consult a dermatologist for recommendations. 2. Laser therapy. Low-level laser therapy, LLT, has shown promise in stimulating hair growth and potentially restoring natural hair color. Hair dyes. While not reversing gray hair dyes offer a cosmetic solution. Natural dyes like henna can be a healthier alternative to chemical dyes. Research and future directions. Recent research into the mechanisms of hair graying has opened potential avenues for reversing the process. Scientists are exploring the role of stem cells in hair follicles and how their depletion affects melanin production. Advances in gene therapy and regenerative medicine may eventually provide more definitive solutions for reversing gray hair. Conclusion. While there is no guaranteed way to reverse gray hair completely, adopting a healthy lifestyle, managing stress, and using appropriate hair care products can help slow the process and maintain hair health. Staying informed about the latest research and consulting with healthcare professionals can also guide you in exploring effective treatments for gray hair. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.